this particular setup, it has it's airlift manifold and controller. But this particular one has what I call height sensor. This system will control the height by electronically. When you don't have the height sensor, you control the height of the vehicle by putting air on the back. But for example, if you're driving and you need to go high because there's a bump, you just you press setup first and you press the button and go all the way up. But when you go back to ride height, you never get the height perfectly because the system do not have the height sensor. When you have a height sensor, you always, even if you're driving, put it on ride height and always go to the height you preset. It costs more money, labor, and the system is more money, but it's really worth it when you have this system. I show the customer, you'll be driving 80 miles per hour, you go to high and you go all the way high. You can just go to the right height and you get to the right height electronically. So I'm gonna show you right there when you have a air out, so you can see the how the air out system works. Press twice here and the vehicle goes to the ground. So you can see the arrow, the green one was the sensor and the position. So if you need to go to the, we'll say we're gonna drive the vehicle, you press this one twice and then go to the green line. So it always give you the height you preset. And then if you go over the bump and you need to go higher than that, let me wait till the compressor fill the tank. Then you press this right here, the top one, which is air out, right height, and the high height call. And then if I hit it this one twice, it will go all the way up. So you're driving, and then you go over the bump. So you're done with the bumps or bad road or whatever, you just press this one back on, and it goes back to the right height. You don't have to pull over. I mean, you can do it without the sensor too, but this is more exactly high. So it always go back to the higher desire. Whatever you preset, it will go to the same height because the high sensor. I highly recommend to do the high sensor than without it. It's cheaper, it saves some money, but it's not gonna work exactly perfect like this.